should, in judgment of all living things. You are a weak god, a pretender. It is you who should bow before me.
And do you have an Infinity Gauntlet now?
I do not. Yet I remain Thanos. The great tyrant